Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can repost someone else's post on Facebook. So go over to your Facebook homepage and basically just scroll down, look for something you want to repost, and when you finally found it, follow these steps. So for example, I want to repost this. What you want to do is tap on share, that's the share icon on the lower right. And then here's the first option, so just choose that, write post. And here I can say something about the post, for example. And I can even tag people by tapping on this blue icon here. Or I can tap in feeling or activity and basically share how I feel or what I'm doing to other people on Facebook. Now, once you're settled, what you want to do is tap post here on the upper right, and that will be automatically uploaded to your feed as well as to your profile. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.